Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we have here is a 2023 Spyder F3. My guy came over, he had some work done. See the LED lights on there, look pretty good. But they stopped working after the first day, so we brought it over here to take a look at it. Now mind you, I didn't do this work, I'm not knocking anybody, so anything that we find that's not right in this bike, it's not a dig. I'm just doing this to show that what not to do when you try to hook up lights on your bike. So I think the scenario was the lights. He ordered the bike came in. He got it on a weekday. 2 days later, took it in to have the speakers installed and the chaser LED lights put on the bike, which from my understanding look pretty good. I do like this underneath here. The chaser's going up there. I don't know how functional that would be after a while, but that next day he went out and had several problems. The bike wasn't running. Changed out the battery, and I think there was something, was it something clipped on the rear?
It was tight, too tight on the ABS,
I think.
And they had to replace the whole ABS.
I think the ABS wire back here, the LED lights are clamped too tight, and it made a malfunction on the ABS sensor. So the bike had to go back in the shop for about a week to get that repaired. So what we're going to do is we're going to trace these LED lights and remove them and put a secondary set of lights on here. Some of the things that we noticed when looking at it. Can you show me what we looked at? The wires and stuff. What was it on this side? The things that we found that was jacked up. There was one wire that was in here. What was the one that was rubbing? The wire was raw.
Oh,
Wasn't on.
Did we take it off already?
No, it was just tucked. Was it back here or something? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
One of the things he did was he tried to run the LED lights inside the fender, which I heard was pretty cool, but look what you get. That was one of the first things we noticed. Adhesive didn't hold, so it started rubbing up against the tire. Some of the other things that we noticed when getting into it was,
I don't know if we.
one of the things we noticed is exposed wires coming here. Not a pretty good idea to have wires sticking out like that, in my opinion. It's just my. So here we got LEDs pushed on the inside. Again, cool concept. Here you see exposed wires, which is not too safe. So what we're going to do first is going to start by disconnecting all the old wires out of here, making sure everything is still functional on the bike, doing a quick test run after the lights have been removed, and we'll go ahead and go with the install. All right, so another thing we noticed once we got into where it's, and see how it was ran to the battery, it was disconnected because he had to actually get a new battery. But here you can see a lot of extra wire. Some of this stuff you can see right here is exposed. So we're gonna be disconnecting all this kind of stuff and see what was done here. All right, so what we found is the wires were tucked inside here, and what I'm seeing is this is the right side of the bike. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strips that were put together down to one wire. For the left side. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah. And then, as you can see here, going down the right side of the bike, the exact same thing. I just barely pulled this out, and this is what you guys see. So Here's what you don't want to do, because this right here, in my opinion, I'm not an electrician by any means, but this is not safe by any stretch. You keeping these lights? I mean, they may be able to be used at a later time, possibly, but
You take them off.
I just want to see this, just for shits and giggles.
Just want to be safe.
And look, you can see it's already started to burn. Look at the white wire.
Wow.
One down, 6 more to go. On this side, at least.
Oh, that's the thing that goes underneath that one.
Can it snap off?
Yeah.
This is zip tie to something else.
Here's another zip tie.
So let's try this. See where the big wad is coming here? Let's try to cut that. And we should be able to pull them. Look, pull them all out from here.
Oh, I see it. It's another
Zip tie.
another tie.
All right.
I went around to see where those zip ties were, and I went off and cut as many as I could off. There might be some that I haven't seen. But
Here's one. This is another thing that we saw. The wires were zip tied to the sway bar on both sides.
And
It's
the
crazy, man.
sway bar is a moving part.
See if you can fish that out, brother. Can you see him? Can you see me pulling on it up top? Let me see.
Shit, it's round. Man, what the hell is this? So here's the.
Oh,
Man.
check. Why are the lights wrapping around the shock? Come on, man. Are you serious? Come on, cuz. All right, so we're going to end up just cutting the wire to make it easy. Don't cut yourself. It's crazy as hell.
It's a zip tie.
That's a zip tie right there. And remember, folks, I ain't doing this to try to knock nobody or what they do, but this is a video on what not to do when you're hooking up your lights.
I'll clean it up.
Yeah, I ain't worried about that.
Man, what the fuck?
Just one underneath. See how it's up here's light back in there.
shit, this all tied together.
I think those are the ones that are running to the rear of the bike.
Yeah, tied around the damn sway bar.
Listen, y'all. Yeah, that's a piece of wire. You see the hole that was drilled in right there in the bike? Drilled a hole in the bike to fasten the wire to hold the link. And then look, here's another one on top. Just so y'all can see it ain't me. See it?
What the fuck?
He drilled into the bike to hold the lights.
That might be what's holding that right there.
Look, it's another wire.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, he drilled into the bike to hold the lights on.
Shit.
Yeah.
So fuck the speaker wire. You done made a zip tie out of the damn speaker wire.
I can't make this up, y'all. And what, we got something back here too. That's the wire that's rubbing.
Yeah, cuz. Look at that. That's that bullshit.
All right, so what we did notice is he tried to put some lights on the inside. They were zip tied at the bottom, but not around the top, so it fell off. But more importantly, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but the wires ran directly underneath the radiator. So it was only a matter of time before that was gonna have a major malfunction. So in all, here's the heap of wires that we pulled off from the bike. It's a bunch of them. So you guys have already seen the install of the lights. I'm not going to go through that again with you guys. If you want to, you can go and check out my other video of the install. I'm using the exact same lights that we used on mine. But just to let you know, I always recommend this to every accessory that you put on. Please put on the kill switch. We're going to install his kill switch right there. That just ensures that you cut off all the power to any accessory that you have. Otherwise, it's going to drain your battery. If anybody tells you that's not true, look it up. You got constant power coming from your battery. You got to have something in between them to kill the power coming out, or your battery will go dead.
3 hours later.